welcome back to She Soaps. Today we're going to be making fruit out of soap dough. And so She Soaps has new colors. Before, the colors used to be not as vibrant, but they're still pretty. And now she has way more vibrant colors. It's in like a 30 set, I'm pretty sure. So check that out if you want to make some soap dough. And we're going to do a challenge. So I'm going to make one, and Rania's going to make one. And we're going to like vote. So Reema, Rania, which one do you like better? And so what fruit are you going to make?
I'm making a strawberry.
I kind of want to make a banana, so. Oh, no, I'm going to make a raspberry. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Take.
I'm using this bright pink because I don't really want a red strawberry for some reason.
I'm using this red. I think that's the closest thing I'm going to get to like a raspberry color. We're going to have to knead it up. We're going to make mini ones, Rania.
Yeah. So, if you want to learn how to make a raspberry or a strawberry, just look at the person. So first, roll into a ball for mine.
For mine.
So for mine, you have to shape it into a ball first. And then you are going to take any part of the bottom you want and pinch it. And kind of pinch it all around.
Okay.
And keep doing that until you find the shape you like.
So I'm done smoothing it out. Smooth. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the more flat part and create a big hole. So I'm gonna just stab it in there and then spin it around almost. And I'm gonna create like a little hole almost. I'm gonna have to fix that up, but you're just gonna create a hole like how raspberries have, because they're hollow. So.
Okay, and for mine, and then for after when you pinch that part, you're going to take the other side that you haven't pinched. And you're just going to kind of make it more round, and then you're going to smush it by any surface until it's like flat like that.
I forgot to tell you guys, before you make that hole, you're gonna have to go like this, create a little more oval shape.
So there we go, you have that, your little strawberry.
Personally, by my thing, I think that raspberries are way harder. So if you wanna go for an easier one, by my choice, I think you should start with a strawberry.
So I was thinking of using this green or this green. What do you think?
I think you should use this green. It's pretty.
Use this lighter green. So first, we're going to take a little piece, not much. We're going to just make it into a ball. And then you're going to, it's going to be like that, circle a little ball. You're going to pinch a top of it. And then it will kind of look like the same as the strawberry but smaller. So it's going to probably look like that. And then you're going to take your paintbrush and dip it in water, not too much. And then you're just going to coat the top. And then you're going to put the little leaf stem thing wherever you want.
I have not hollowed out, but kind of hollowed out my raspberry. You could take little balls almost.
And then for mine, you're just gonna keep repeating that step.
And you're gonna take a little balls, like little ones. And you're gonna throw it out. Just like that. And stick it on. But not all things work out straight away. You gotta take some time and effort. But Rania is starting to create the little stem part. She's going out and then in. So I'm just gonna make smaller and big ones to that raspberry.
I'm repeating the step for this. And then when you're about to add stem, you might want to add a little, like where you want to put it. Add a little line and make it a little bit like that. And then you're going to take your water and your paintbrush and just put some in there and inside it and around it. And then we're going to take your little stem part and you are going to stick it right on to where you want.
So here's how it's going so far. I've got the leaves in.
Time's going.
And if we have extra time today, we might be able to have an extra, like a bonus almost, and make bananas. All right, so since I'm done with my raspberry and I'm waiting on Rania, I'm gonna make a bonus.
I finished.
You're done?
Here's my strawberry. I put a face on it.
I think you should add white seeds to it.
I just put some lines around it, you know.
All right, so we're gonna make a banana. I love bananas.
She's making one.
So once you got your little strip thing, I'm just gonna figure out, like if I'm doing it like that, knead it up. After, since it's kneaded, I'm pretty sure, I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it to be pretty good. Here, let me get a banana for resemblance. So here it is. And here is mine. Looks pretty curved. So I'm gonna take some of this green. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna knead it just a little bit. You need like around, like if you ball this up, like this much, really little. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna thin this out. Actually, I don't think we should use green. I feel like it would be like non-ripe, I guess. Almost make like a square, I guess, like a rectangle. You're just gonna create, I guess, something like this. And then you're gonna have to smooth out. It kind of looks a little wonky right now. So you take like your little toothpick thing. Oh, scary. So there you go. You've got your little like banana. Just a little teeny bit of black. Flatten it out and just put it on just like that. So it's a banana. So I just got it. I put some lines, dots, whatever. And I'm pretty sure I want to do a little bit of just some black to add. So I'm just gonna add some little imperfections to make it perfect. Just gonna add a few things. And yeah, that's how you make your little banana. And now, if you have everything, you can use it in your bathrooms, put it in your room, anything like that. Shower, yeah, good. Anything like that, and really is a little smirking. One. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to go down in the link. And we have so many colors to choose from. And if it looks like lots of choices. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. That'd be amazing. All right, well, bye.